When was the last time you checked your backups? Come closer. When was the last time your IT company tested your data backups? Hi everyone, I'm Mike, back with our somewhat regular tech tip. Yes, it's been a while since we shared a tech tip with you, and I promise we'll be back on a regular schedule starting right now. Okay, when was the last time you checked your data backups? I mean, adequately tested them. Are you confident that if a critical part of your IT infrastructure failed or went down for an extended period, would you be able to recover parts or even all of your data? According to research done by the University of Texas, 94% of companies suffering from a catastrophic data loss do not survive, 43% never reopen, and 51% close within 2 years. Pretty scary numbers. Regular testing of your data backup and data recovery services is a crucial part of an IT strategy. How often should you test your data backup and data recovery services? Well, it all depends on your comfort level. Your IT company should sit down with you and determine your data backup and data recovery testing frequency. Here's a shocking story. Our team will often take over from an existing IT company to find out that the backups haven't worked in months or even years. But all the time, the client was under the impression they were being taken care of. Insist your IT company conduct regular data backup and data recovery tests according to your schedule and comfort level. Have them document and show proof. And here's another critical tip. At least once a year, simulate a complete failure and have all your IT resources come online on your backup systems. Let's see if your existing IT company can do this. If you have questions, drop us an email, give us a phone call, or speak with our online representative. And stay tuned for future tech tips and let us know if you have any questions. My name's Mike, and thanks for tuning in.